Good evening, good evening. How are you, sir?
Hi Vinayak, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. So my name is
Yes.
Divyam. I think this is our first session together.
Yes, this is my first session with you and second session with a clapping group.
Nice. So are you enjoying yourself at Clapping Go?
Definitely, couldn't so pleasure because I got slot for with you. Mm.
No, no, don't say that. I think all of our speakers are
Okay.
really, really cool and they will provide you a lot of value.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for
First of
saying
all,
that.
I would like okay, sir. I would like to say you congratulations because you are so popular in YouTube.
No, I think that is just there because people like how friendly I am and they like how I'm
Yes,
trying to explain things to them, right?
definitely. Yes, I'm still waiting actually for
Okay.
your session.
Any, sorry?
I'm still waiting for your session. I just booked a
Can
slot.
you say that again?
Yes, no, I'm still waiting for your session.
Okay. So have you booked
Yes,
other slots with
from
me?
paying my subscription. No, this is my first. Hello.
I think your network is a little unstable. I can't hear you clearly.
Uh, yes. Can you hear me, sir, right now?
Yeah, yeah, I can.
Yes.
Okay. So you were saying something. You're waiting for a session with me.
Yes, for your session.
You were waiting. Past tense, right?
Yes. Past time.
Yeah,
Past time.
you were waiting. Okay, good.
Yeah,
So now
yeah.
you're here. Now let's make the most of the situation. Okay.
Okay.
Let me just write this down. Okay. So Mr. Vinayak, today we are going to be talking about food.
Okay. So I don't want to talk about that because this is my second session. I have some queries. I just prepared some question for you. Sir, can I
Okay, go
ask you?
ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, sir.
sure.
So, yes, because I have started my own YouTube channel, so that's helped a lot of Indians. That's name is Indians on Learning. Hello.
That is made.
For Indians on Learning English. That's my YouTube channel name. Yes. So I want to upload this video. Can I?
Yeah,
Sir, can
so
I
you'll have
upload?
to send a request to the team and they will tell
Yes,
you if
yes.
you can upload or not. Okay?
Okay, okay, no problem. Sir, I just prepared some question. Can I ask you?
Yeah, sure. I would love to answer them.
Yes, this is not for me. Also from Indians, all of this. How we can improve English? That's the most thing.
See, that is the most famous question asked on Clapping Go. I think every other person wants to know how to do this. So,
Yes.
one thing I would like to tell you is that if you want to learn English from scratch, that means if you are a beginner, okay,
Yeah.
you really need a lot of help. It's not like there's only one way to learn English. There are so many ways you can learn English, right?
Ways. Yeah. Exactly. That's I want to learn the
Okay.
ways of
So,
English learning.
so for you, what I'll tell you is, firstly, follow the official YouTube channel of Clapping Go. Okay.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
we give a lot of advice over there, a lot of exercises you can do. Okay. Um,
Yes.
you can check us out on Instagram as well because on Instagram we keep doing some sort of exercise. We keep doing some sort of live sessions. We you get to talk to speakers on the platform.
Yeah.
Lots of tongue twisters, lots of exercises, lots of fun discounts as well. By the way, okay. So if
Okay.
you're interested
Okay.
in that, go for it. uh,
Okay.
in terms of improving English, I think the first thing you need to do is make sure English is always around you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
anyone who's seen my sessions will know this. I love saying this that
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
the easiest way to learn English is by kind of copying the people who are good at English.
Good in English. Yeah.
Right.
Definitely.
So go through people. Sorry, go through. lots of YouTube videos where the person is either from America or from England,
From
UK,
native speaker.
who are
Okay.
talking, yeah, native speakers, exactly.
Native speaker. Yes.
So go through that, try to imitate it, copy with them. So let's say they said, "Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel," right?
Okay.
So what do
Like
you
that.
say?
Okay. Uh, so sorry. Can I just finish again?
Can you repeat? Can you repeat that? Hi, welcome to my
Okay.
YouTube channel.
Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
See,
This
now
is
you
good
didn't say
for.
hi. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so you're
Exactly.
supposed to copy exactly how they're supposed to say.
Exactly. Yes.
Because even when
So
I was
currently I'm
learning,
copying you right now.
that's good. That's good. That's
From
exactly what you're
yes,
supposed to do.
from seeing your videos, I just saw your every video which is uploaded different students on everyone's YouTubers. Yeah, I have downloaded in my phone.
Okay, so one
Because
correction. I have
yes.
seen all of your, or I have watched all of your YouTube videos.
Okay. Oh, see. Yeah.
So what's the next question?
Second question is how to remember the words because there are so many different words for meaning. One word for so many different meaning.
Hmm. That's a good question because sometimes English can be very, very complicated,
Yeah.
And this is not just a problem of one word having many meanings.
Meaning.
It is also one word having many pronunciations or
Pronunciation.
the same type of word having many pronunciations, right? The best way to figure out which word has what meaning or which
What meaning?
word is supposed to be used in that sentence is basically
Sentence.
practice.
Practice. Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a very, I think, funny example. Okay,
Okay.
let's say you
Okay.
are learning how to make tea, chai. Okay,
Sorry.
how do you know? Let's say you're learning how to make tea. You're learning how to make chai.
Chat. Okay.
Okay,
T.
so
T. Yeah. Yeah.
when I
Yeah.
was young, this is one mistake I made. Okay, I would confuse the salt with the sugar always. There are times where I have given my mom tea with salt in it. Okay, so
Okay.
this is
Okay.
exactly what this example is like because it's very similar. Like it looks quite similar until you taste it. So for me, the best thing I would tell you is keep practicing. Whether it's a
Practice.
recipe,
Okay.
whether it's a skill, whether it's a sport, whether it's a language, practice is very
Anything.
important.
Prac- okay. Practice makes man of perfect.
Yeah. See, I
Yes.
think
Oh.
now the term has also changed because we know no man is ever perfect.
Okay.
Right? You could study English for 30 years and still not be perfect.
That is. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. There is no matter.
So
Yeah.
one thing we know for sure, I love to say this sentence: practice makes improvement. Practice doesn't make perfect.
Okay. Practice make improvement. Okay. It's never end actually. Okay.
Yes, because
Yes.
the day you say I am perfect, I know everything,
No. No. We can't say
you
like that.
cannot do
Yeah.
that. You cannot do that.
No.
Yeah,
No.
because no one is
No. No.
perfect. There's
No. No.
always going to be someone who's better than you. There's always going to be someone
Yes.
who
Yes.
knows more than you, right?
Everyone have a different vocabulary and everyone have a different fluency.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So just keep practicing, keep using the words, and then someone corrects you. No, no, this is not how you say it. No, this is not the meaning. Take down the
Mhm.
corrections and use it in the correct way. That is the only way to improve it. Okay.
Okay. I also heard from some YouTubers. So this always suggests us whatever you like most. Watch that in English.
Yes.
If you like Netflix and that all, because your interest will show there.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is right to me.
Yes, it is perfectly true because
Okay.
one thing I tell people is we can give you homework, right? But then it will be homework, it will be a task. It will sound like I have to do this. But the best way to learn is I want to do this,
I want to do this. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
if you have to do it, you say to like, oh, I have to do it. Fine, I'll watch it. I'll do
Yes.
it. But if you
Yes.
want to do, you're like, you'll wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. You're like, no, no, I want to do it now. I want to do it. I'm
Definitely.
excited, right? So
Definitely.
find
Definitely.
things that you love and invest time in that. Whether it's in English or,
Okay.
sorry, not English, whether
Anything
it's
that could be.
in any
Okay.
field,
Anything.
could be cars, food, it could be a dance show, but it has to be in English.
Yes.
Enjoy the content,
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. Yeah.
enjoy the content, and you will learn a lot more. You learn much faster.
Yes. Just recently happened with me. I just away from my home. Just 10 minutes left for a session. I just walk from there and come to here without anything.
Because see, because you were excited, you wanted to take the
Yes, yes, definitely. Because the session with you, that's why I'm so excited.
test. Thank you so much. But in the same way, if it was an office meeting, you would have called, I am not feeling so good. No, there's
Yeah,
no
yeah,
network
yeah,
connectivity, you know,
yeah,
because you
yeah.
have to do the meeting, not because you want to.
Yes, yes, yes.
That is the difference. So this is the best example. I think you given
Interest
the
is
best
different.
example.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks. So I'm also today is so confident with you because uh, in my first session I was a bit confident actually. So this is my second session with you. I'm like confident right now.
So in the first session, you were a bit
Session. Yeah.
underconfident.
Yeah. I'm sorry. That's my
Oh, it's okay. You don't need to say
yeah,
sorry.
yeah.
That's why we are here.
Okay, okay, okay.
Like I said, you have to learn these
Yes,
words.
yes.
Underconfident.
La-
Or you can say,
Underconfident.
yeah, or you can say I was nervous, or you can say I was
I was nervous,
panicking, right?
panicking. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Sir, can you
So
spell
don't
that? Panicking.
panicking. I'll type it for you.
Okay.
Panicking. Here. P A N I
Yes,
C
panicking.
K I N G.
CKING. Also, this is help from your watches, my watches, and all.
Sorry.
Also, this could be help my watches on YouTube.
This could be
Uh, help helped us, me and my watches on YouTube.
okay. See, I can't
Okay.
really hear you clearly because of the network. I'm
Okay,
so
okay.
sorry.
Yes. What word did you elaborate right now? That word can people tackle? I mean, people understand right now with my session. They will know
Ah,
exactly
okay,
different
okay,
ways of
okay.
saying in other words and that's not understand.
Yeah, I
Yes.
think that will be easy. Yes. Do you want me to give you a
Yes.
definition or you got it?
Yeah, yeah. I got it. Definitely, I got it. No problem. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
Right now, that is my big question for you, sir, actually, because I want to suggest you to me. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
You want me to suggest to you.
yes. Yes.
You didn't understand. Did you understand?
No, you should suggest me. Uh,
Yes. So this is,
that's
repeat after me. Right now, I want you to suggest something to me.
right now. I want to you to suggest me.
Yes. I want you to suggest something to me.
Yes, I want you to suggest something to me.
Perfect. Now tell me, what sort of suggestion do
Okay.
you want? Do you want me to give you an exercise to improve your English? Do you want me to tell you how to do it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
So you're watching English shows, English content.
Yeah, I watched some American videos like Frank and some Indians who had a YouTube in English
Mm-hmm.
videos. That kind of.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. Okay, so one thing I'll tell you is, firstly, go through the document always. Okay,
Okay.
read the vocabulary words. Okay, understand the meaning. If you don't understand the pronunciation, Google it, and in Google they have the feature, they say it, so you can listen, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So use that. There are lots of grammar exercises. So if you don't understand those, finish that exercise and ask your speaker, hey, I have a problem. Can you help me? They will help you. Okay.
Okay, okay. No, no.
Other
Well,
than that, make sure you look at your recordings as well. Okay, find your own mistakes, correct yourself.
Yes, yes. That's the simple way to learn English by yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes,
That is one of the
I
suggestions
always
I
do
give.
that. Yeah, yeah. I
Great.
always do that. Because
Okay.
whenever I'm calling on Amazon or something, whichever on customer care, so I do record my video on voice. So I'll repeat again.
I'm sorry.
Hear me?
Yeah. Right. Yes, yes.
Whenever you call
Can you
Amazon,
hear me, sir? Yes, sir. Whenever I call Amazon for that purpose because I can hear myself. I talk to with them in English and I had some queries whenever. Then I call you them,
then I call
and
them.
then okay, then I call them, and that recorded will be. I'll listen again.
I
That
will
recordings.
listen to the recording again.
I will listen to the recording again.
Perfect.
Okay.
This is how we
Okay.
will slowly improve because trial and error. We will keep practicing a sentence. We will keep practicing how we want to express something. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right. Any other questions before we leave?
No, sir. I don't have any questions. Actually, I can't realize you are with me right now.
I can't believe
Yeah.
I'm taking a session with you.
Yes, I can't believe I'm taking session with you. Am I right?
Don't worry. I'm sure we will have lots more sessions. Okay.
Yeah,
Many more
definitely.
sessions
That's my
actually. Sorry.
pleasure. That's my pleasure.
Yes. Can't wait to see you
Okay.
again. Thank you so much, Vinayak.